What's up guys, the new JBL Go 2 is here and today I will compare its sound with the older model. As you can see they have pretty similar size. In terms of hardware, both have a 3W transducer, and while the Go has a bass port, the Go 2 got a larger passive radiator. Regarding the price, the Go costs around $25 while you can buy the newer model for $45. Okay, so let's see which one sounds better. I will play some songs and tell my personal opinion at the end of the video. Please put on your headphones. So overall I think there is no big difference between the sound of the two models. The Go 2 has a slightly bigger sound with more powerful lows, but it's not significantly better. So I think sound-wise the Go 2 could not improve too much compared to the older model. However, please let me know what do you think in the comment section below. This was for today. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I was Norbert Kupas and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.